Welcome to our channel. Today we'll guide you through the process of logging into your NFHS Network account quickly and easily. Follow these step-by-step instructions to get started. Step 1. Visit the NFHS Network website. Open your preferred web browser and go to the NFHS Network website by entering the URL www.nfhnetwork.com. This will take you to the homepage where you can begin the login process. Step 2. Locate the login button. Once on the homepage, look for the Login button. This is usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed to the login screen. Step 3. Enter your email address. On the login page, you'll see a field prompting you to enter your email address. Make sure to use the email associated with your NFHS Network account. Step 4. Input your password. Next, enter your password in the designated field. Be sure to type it correctly, as passwords are case sensitive. If you've forgotten your password, there is usually a Forgot Password link available for assistance. Step 5. Click on the Login button. After entering your email and password, click the Login button to access your account. Wait for a moment as the system processes your credentials. Step 6. Navigate your account. Once logged in, you will be directed to your account dashboard. Here, you can manage your subscriptions, view upcoming events, and enjoy the features available to NFHS Network members. Final tips: keep your credentials safe. Always ensure that you log out of your account, especially if you're using a public or shared computer. This helps protect your information and maintain your account security. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide has helped you log into your NFHS Network account with ease. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and updates.